Welcome! In front of me is a NOKIA C01 Plus, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen. Let me get rid of this. There we go. Now you can swipe down twice to extend this little panel, which will also show names. Now we're looking for power saving mode. If it's not visible on first page, you can swipe to the left, and this will show you additional pages. And it looks like it's actually not added by default, which means we might need to add it ourselves by clicking right here on this little pencil icon. And you can see it right here with battery saver. Once you see this toggle, you can grab it. A text that is above my finger will change to drag here to remove, so that's what we're gonna do. And when you drop it, it gets added to the toggles that we actually have access to in our panel. And you can see it on the last page right here. From here, all you need to do is just simply tap on it. It will bring up this pop-up, turn on battery saver. To extend battery life, battery saver will turn on dark theme, turn off or restrict background activity, some visual effects, and other features like Hey Google. Click turn on, and that's it. That's all you need to do to turn on your power saving mode. Now, once you're done with it, you can just turn it off by finding the toggle once again and simply tapping on it once more, and this will revert all the changes back to the original state. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.